founder, president of all Gaudiya Math, Nityalila Pravishta Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddha Saraswati Goswami Thakur's instruction, nectar of instruction. From that books, one devotee asking question, who can be delivered? Who is qualified to become delivered? To become delivered from the material world. Actually, in English, ke uddhar paye. Ke means who, uddhar means deliver, paye means can. This is not now English. We have to little bit. So, this is the question. Then, Srila Prabhupada answered, যখনই আমরা ভগবানের সেবা করব না তখনই অন্য চিন্তা বা ভোগবুদ্ধি এসে আমাদেরকে গ্রাস করবে। Whenever we are not rendering any service for Lord, rendering service of Lord, then other thinking, but material thing, if you are not thinking about Lord services, other material understanding will come to your mind and destroy your entire. তখনই চিন্তা, অন্য চিন্তা বা ভোগবুদ্ধি এসে আমাদেরকে গ্রাস করবে। তো অন্য চিন্তা means other material things will capture us and encourage us to enjoy material enjoyment, encourage material world. Such type of understanding will take place in our mind. Just a minute, you can see around whole world. You just look, you can't find one person 100% dedicated for Lord services. Very rare. Even the temple, people are living in the temple, but they have some material other desire. Material desire. Big temple, big respect, right? Big guru. Everybody should honor. Everybody honor him. That is also one type of enjoyment. I want to be famous. That is also enjoyment. I want to be fully renounced. It is also one type of enjoyment. Everybody should say, you are so totally renounce. Totally renounce. I already explained once, Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami, Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj. I heard from Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami. I heard it from Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj that one devotee, his godfather, actually Bharati Goswami Maharaj godfather, but he is fully renounced and scholar, Sanskrit scholar. Always wearing dhoti above knee. Taking prasadam only what is cheap quality, like a lafla, greeny, leafy, vegetables, such type of vegetable mixing, such type of vegetables. Mixed vegetables. Lafla, dal and rice. Temple have sweet rice, he don't want to take. Temple have matar paneer sabji, he don't want to take. So one day, Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj telling to Bharati Maharaj, he is going to be householder soon. He is going to be householder soon. Bharati Goswami Maharaj was completely confused. Why? Because he is a scholar, Sanskrit scholar, and he is actually renounced. He is sleeping on the floor. Of course, in Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, whenever I was there, we all sleep on the floor. You know mat. barely managed thin mat because I quit cold. That it was my bed. No pillow. Yeah. So anyway, so what happened? Well, Bharati must say, I was totally astonished and confused. Why Gurudev says so? In my vision, he is a perfect devotee. Six Goswamis, he is following footsteps of six Goswami. Then, after 6 months, Bharati Goswami was heard, he left temple, went to home, get a job in the school, teacher, and marry there. Therefore I am telling you, when we are pretending like a renounced person, this is also a symptom of enjoyment. When you are, I am telling again, pretending like a renounced person. So, enjoyment, it is also enjoyment, one type of enjoyment tendency. Because people will look him, give him value, he's a real renounced person. We are not coming here to become renounced, to enjoy. We are coming here for what purpose? To serve. We are not enjoyer. Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta used to say, Amra bhogiyo noi, tyagiyo noi. Amra sevak. Prabhupada used to say, we are not enjoyer, we are not coming here to become renounced. We are servant. Whatever is needed, we have to accept it. For the sake of Lord's services, whatever needed, we have to accept it. Such mentality we have to establish in our mind. Such understanding we have to establish in our mind. করুণাময় শ্রীকৃষ্ণ এই বিপদ হতে আমাদিগকে রক্ষা করবার জন্য সর্বদাই প্রস্তুত। Merciful Krishna, always ready to save us from such type of bipod, danger. From such type of dangers, merciful Krishna always ready to protect us. Always. কিন্তু আমরা তার উপর সম্পূর্ণ নির্ভর না করলে কি করে রক্ষা পাবো? But if we are not depending on Lord Karunamaya Krishna, absolutely, if we are not depending absolutely on Shri Krishna, how can we be protected by Lord? We have to depend. Means we have to surrender. Nirbhar here depend, but here perfect English should be surrender. If we are not surrendered to the lotus feet of merciful Krishna, how can we be protected by Him? This is not my explanation. This is explained by Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta. Krishna জীবকে গুরু রূপে রক্ষা করেন. Krishna is protecting us in the form of Guru. You know, Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Guru Krishna Rupan Shastre Pramane. Guru Rupe Krishna Kripa Karen Bhaktagane. Guru Rupe Krishna Kripa Karen Bhaktagane. In the form, Krishna appear in the form of Guru and protect us. protect his devotee. So Krishna, Guru Roop Dhare. Krishna appear in the form of Guru. Guru Krishna Roop on Shastra. All Shastra says Guru appear in the form of Guru, Krishna appear in the form of Guru, and through the Guru, Krishna is protecting us from this material danger. So Srila Prabhupada also says, Krishna জীবকে গুরু রূপে রক্ষা করে থাকেন. Krishna protecting all living entities in the form of Guru. Krishna Kipar Murti holen Guru. Guru is the condensed form of Krishna's mercy. Condensed form of Krishna's mercy. Kripar Murti. কৃষ্ণের প্রতিনিধি শ্রী গুরুদেব জীবকে সংসার হতে উদ্ধার করে কৃষ্ণের নিকট নিয়ে যাওয়ার জন্য এই জগতে আসেন. কৃষ্ণ's representative is Gurudev. Is coming to this material world to deliver us from this material world. Krishna's representative is Gurudev. He coming to this material world to deliver all of us from this miserable mundane world. This is the perfect translation. Miserable mundane world. Just to think about Devamai. If Bharati Maharaj are not giving you shelter, where are you to go? So, যে সব ভাগ্যবান সজ্জন সেই গুরুদেবের কৃপা সাদরে গ্রহণ করেন তারাই সংসার থেকে উদ্ধার পেয়ে পরাশান্তির ধামে যেতে পারেন. Mean which fortunate enough to realize the utility to accept Guru and only that person can deliver from the miserable mundane world and back to Parashanti, eternal peaceful abode. Back to that. Parashanti means eternally peaceful abode. That is Golok Vrindavan. Golok. So everybody cannot get the chance, or everybody can realize this utility. We should get enough pious credit. Pious credit means Sukriti. Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti. If Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti means spiritual pious credit, who has enough, that person and accept the shelter of such spiritual master who is representing Guru, who is representing Krishna, such spiritual master. Whoever taking shelter of them, only those person can be delivered from this miserable mundane world and back to eternally peaceful abode, Parashanti Dham. That is the answer Srila Prabhupada gave. But you can say back to means where is that Golok Vrindavan? You may have question like that. Yeah, in this regard I always telling them, wow, mosquito so much. So in seeds form, we are with Golok Vrindavan. Seed. Said that seed Lord planted in marginal line. Like I can give an example. Don't take it other way. Someone goes to America and met with you. You never been India. Indian goes to America, and you have some conjugal relation with that boy, and that person conceive. And then that boy left America, come back. That means your child, seeds form, he was in India. But that boy actually planting to your womb in America. Right? So in that way I am telling you about. Seeds form we are in Lord, with Lord. Then plant marginal line. Am I clear? Huh? Then after 20 years your child asks, Mummy, what is my father? Mummy says, your father in India. Then that boy have eagerness to meet his father. Some boy hate their father because since the childhood, who is that? Who is not interested to worship Krishna, to follow the Krishna's footsteps. They are actually such type of boy. But which loyal, fortunate, they want to meet with father. So that boy, when he is your child, then he is trying to make his passport, Indian visa, ticket, all the endeavor is called like a sadhana. Practice, spiritual practice. Means as soon as you know, our mother, Veda Mata. Mother is Veda. Veda say Krishna Bhagavan. Krishna is my father of all. That we have to search our father. Therefore Veda explain how to reach him. Accordingly we are preparing ourselves. Am I clear? This is sadhana. When we are really successfully, when we successfully practice and make Lord happy, means father become happy. Father means we are able to reach India. Father representative is like a visa officer, immigration officer. Am I clear? So they will give you visa. They will allow to enter. The Guru, Vaishnava, immigration officer, and what is that? Their Guru, Vaishnava, they will enter to India, and then you meet with the father. Am I clear? So seeds form we are in. You are with Lord, but seeds Lord planted in the marginal land. Therefore I use the return. Or is father place, that is our actual place. You can see Vedic system, we never say my mother house, in at present day, we never say, where is my mother house, means mother's parent house, we are not feeling that is our house. Father house, we are feeling always my house. Similarly, Krishna's abode is our actual home. Krishna's abode is Golok Vrindavan. Therefore I am using Parashanti Dham, eternally peaceful abode is Golok Vrindavan. We will back to there. Am I clear? Huh? Am I clear? Okay. So then next question, I think it is late. I have to finish my Gayatri also.